Hi guys, so we're going to build this on this episode. Well, I'm going to build it, but you can watch me if you like. I'm going to fast forward through it and you're going to see me going through the steps. Relatively easy, just going to make sure you read it a few times. I looked at the pictures that were on the website for the company, and that kind of gave away where I'd made some errors. I had to pull bits apart, as you'll see on the video. But yeah, obviously you've got to let things dry. I was a bit impatient and just carried on putting bits on, but I'm thinking, yeah, that's kind of tacked together nicely. But no, I'm really pleased with it. But anyway, onto the building, and see you soon. Bye. Okay, so this is my double span footbridge laser cut kit by In the Greenwood. I bought this about 2.5 years ago to go for my platform that you've seen me do my work on, and sort of get it out and show you if you haven't seen these kits before. I got these off eBay. They do have an online store. You can look on that and see if they've got any new stuff. It's been a long time since I bought this, but it comes with all the bits that you need inside. Obviously you need to supply your own glue and stuff, but let's get it together. But they give cool instructions. Obviously they've given you options on which way round you want to do it. I'll do the conventional look, and yeah, I'll get it together. You can all go together and fast forward, and then eventually I'll even paint it. Alright? So I've had a great time putting this together. See, it's got a great look to it. I quite like it, even leaving it in wood with the laser cutting, where you got the burn lines and everything on it. It looks brilliant. But I'm going to paint it up, try and give it some Great Western Railway look to it, get the colours right. Have a little look at what some of the other railways have done. It's quite nice how complete this now looks with all that work that's been done on it. Avoids the coaches, which is perfect, and just finishes it all off really nicely. So I'm chuffed a bit for that, because I did wonder why it looked a bit bare, but the footbridge is the perfect thing for it. I've got some other ideas as well, so I'm gonna get on with that, but with a bit of ballast and some grass and some roads. I want to have another line going through. I can see it quickly becoming, you know, nice to look at as a little layouts. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.